Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change our screen time goal that we set up previously, or someone did it for us. Where to look for this option? We are going to open settings, of course, then we are looking for our digital well-being and parental controls. In here we have screen time goal. Right now, as you can see, we have 27 minutes remaining. So if we want to change it, we can use three dots menu at the top right, change goal, more or less whatever we need here, or we can tap this option here and we have the same function. Back out, it's now changed. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.